All right, just want to give you some quick instructions on how to do this webquest here, DNA mutations webquest. As webquests go, it's actually pretty simple. First thing you're going to need to do, though, is click the link. Open up there, and if we go back to the thing, we need to answer the questions. What is a mutation? What does it affect? Without mutations, what will occur? Those kind of things. So basically, you'll just go through basics of the mutation, and basically back to the paper. Once you've answered those three questions and you get to this next bolded area, DNA, the molecular base of mutations, that's basically a signal to click on the next, because this is DNA, the molecular base of mutations. And then you can just continue on, going to the next bolded question, which would then be, tells you here, types of mutations. You click next, and you answer the question for the types of mutations. So you just go back and forth till you get everything answered. And then when you're done with that, all the way at the bottom here, you'll see once you answer the questions, and go to the Google form, the DNA mutations quiz. This is the same link that's on the weekly doc thing, so you can just open that up, and using this information you just filled out, go through and answer the questions on the mutations quiz and hit submit. And that's basically what you need to do for today, and that's today's assignment. That's it. Goodbye.